All right, JT. What goes around comes around. It's time to be live and it's bang on. 8:30. Ngā mihi o te ataka ko te katoa pikari mai nā. Nā, taupiri waikaranga, tongariro waituku, koia ko te kaupapa o Tū Whare Ora I tēnei wā e te iwi ana ko tai mai. Tēnei o ngā tāne pūrotu roa atu nei, no konei, no Tū Wharetoa no hoki. Ana, koia no hoki te tehi o ngā māngai, te tehi o ngā kanohi o Tū Whare Ora ko hono tahi mai kia Tainui Live. Welcome back to the whare, my brother, Pouti Paki.
Oh, he pai te hoki mai ki tō tāua whare chief, pera tono I a koe he punarua ne, te tehi taha, te tehi waiwai no Waikato, te rātu waiwai no Tū Wharetoa, nā reira mihi mai rā.
Koia te take e pēnei ana te āhua o tō mātou kanohi, my brother. That's why we say beautiful.
Kōrero, bro.
All right, bro. Now, you've been doing some massive things for our people, both in who are living in Tū Wharetoa and those who are living outside of Tū Wharetoa as well throughout this whole COVID pandemic. Of course, some of the restrictions are lifting now, which would be great for Taupo as one of the tourist meccas of Aotearoa, but we still have to be cautious, right?
Absolutely. We have to be very cautious. We have to be considerate. We have to be mindful. So, when you are heading out and about, use your common sense. Ko te mea nui kia noho tō mua tō hauora, te hauora hoki o wera e noho tata ana kia koe. So I'm quite excited for the lifting of some of these restrictions because for Tū Whare Ora, we look after all. Doesn't matter if you're vaccinated or if you're not vaccinated. Ko te mea nui kia mana ki te katoa. And one of the things that we have seen within the Tū Whare Ora movement is the mental well-being challenges for some of our whānau who have been cut out of certain spaces. So, in my opinion, this might be a good opportunity for them to exercise their freedom.
Yeah, absolutely. And that's an area where I thought was kind of left to the wayside, actually, what was the mental health, because the statistics of that has gone through the roof, hasn't it?
Tikara watu I nā te nui o ngā nama kari au ngā nama. Engari, that is definitely one of the things that we have seen among our uri whakaheke, our people, is that, yes, they enjoy the support that Tū Whare Ora provides, whether it's kai, picking up medication for them from the pharmacy while they're isolating, but actually it's the checking in, the ringing in every day to have a kōrero. Tēnei mea te manaki, kia manaki I te mana o te tangata. So having a chat with them really does help their mental well-being while they're isolating, or for those who are not vaccinated and couldn't go to certain places within our society. Nā reira, moku ake he mea miharo tēnei te hikina o e tehi o e nei tukanga I ngā whare kai, I ngā whare maha o ngā taone maha.
Me pewhia kore ai e mihi o koutou I nā rā, ko te mātua o ngā whakaro, ko te manaki I te tangata, ngā mihi e hoa. Ka mutu ki ngā kaimahi katoa I tū ki te mura I te ahi, I roto I ngā tau e rua kāhori. All right, now, of course, you had some awesome competitions happening as well, some awesome prizes to give out. I saw a couple of the videos on the Tū Whare Ora page. How did that go?
Oh, brother. I have to say the Whare Ora Challenge took off. We had whānau who were living in our cities, whānau living in rural areas of Aotearoa, even whānau from Australia entering into the competition. It's an all-inclusive whakataetai, and we had a whole lot of winners, and it was, get your whare in ora, the Whare Ora Challenge. So that's setting up your whare, setting up your pātaka kai with your kai, setting up your process of using the whareiti, all of those things. And we had a mixture of written entries, video entries, photo entries, and we had a whole lot of winners. We had 3 who took out the top spot, and that pūtea was going towards decking out their whare, which was over $1,200 to deck out your whare, get your whare in order. But we also had a whole lot of spot prizes for other whānau that sent in some really cute videos, some really colourful videos, some really mana motu hake videos. So it was really good to see all walks of life within Te Ao Māori, within Tū Wharetoa, really come into the whakataetai. For those who entered but may have not won anything, we have another whakataetai coming up in the next couple of weeks, which is an opportunity to really build your immunity using some of our old rongoa methods. And this one's got a funny name, bro. And your tō tuahine, nā raiha te ingoa nei papa ki tēnei o ngā whakataetai, and I think you're going to burst out laughing when I say the name of this whakataetai. It is called Up the Munak. You heard it right at the final.
Oh, man.
Munak.
That's right up there with Smear Your Mea and Wero Te Tero, you know, that's right up there with that.
So it's going to be memorable because, you know, Up the Munak translates to build your immunity up at the whānau, build your immunity up before winter slaps us in the face. You know, the kōrero has been floating. We have COVID, right? We have Delta Cron possibly within our community. But also we have the winter flu that we have not really had for a couple of years. So ko tā tū whare ora I tēnei wā, he aki I ngā whānau, ke whakapiki te hauora, ke whakapiki te kaha, I mua I te tae mai o takurua mea ngā hau papaki, ngā hau kōkoto, ngā patu nei a tātou. So that's right, up the Munak.
Got to give it up to the sister, mate. Tukura taku aroha ki ai. Now, you are absolutely right, Whare, because we saw in Great Britain, right, during their lockdown period, and because a lot of their whānau were locked away for 2 years solid, their Munak came down when it came to the flu. So when the flu season came around, and we're lucky that during our COVID stint, we've done it during the summer periods, but they had to go into lockdown during the winter months. And then once the flu got out there, it really wreaked havoc across Europe as well. So that is absolutely fantastic that right there is a kaupapa ke mua I te aroharo.
Munak e te whānau. I know some of the aunties have already said, oh, can we have some t-shirts saying Up the Munak? Or tatari mai e kui, tatari mai. So,
you know, that'll sell across the nation, right?
You gotta watch it. And what I'm also really excited to see with the tuakana, you know, with this particular campaign, Up the Munak, it is an opportunity for ngā kāinga maha, ngā whare ora I nai nei, e ora pānei tō tātou motu. It's an opportunity for them to share some of their whānau recipes around some of the rongoa. They often whip up before the winter months kick in. So that's what it's all about. It's sharing those rongoa, whether it be rongoa Māori, whether it be a combination of rongoa Māori and other rongoa. You know, our whānau is really big on boiling a whole lot of orange skin, lemon skin with kawakawa, and a bit of honey to make it a bit sweeter. And that's our immunity building juice before winter kicks in. And I'm sure plenty of whānau out there have their own methods and own recipes.
Fantastic. I want to give that a try myself. I'll definitely be keeping a watch out for that as well and steal some recipes for the kāinga, some for the old pukugu over here as well. He no hoki ngā kaupapa kei mua te aroaro e hoa?
Oh, I tēnei wā, tērā ngaru nui, tērā ngaru whawhati o te mate uru tā, kei te heke. Ne, kei te heke. Tērā ia te kōrero ko ngā ngaru whakateo o taupo moana he tohu o te mate. Me pēnei pēr te kōrero ko papa paunamu te hora o te moana I tēnei wā I konei. Kāre kore tērā papa paunamu kei te rere I te awa Waikato, nā reira ko ngā nama I tēnei takiwa kei te heke, he tohu pai. So within that, we know this is the time to prepare. And we're getting all of our marae, because we built this Whare Tū Whare Ora on the fly while the pandemic was happening. Now that there's a bit of whiako in the back pocket, we now know, okay, this is how to best do this, how to best do that. So it's all about preparing now, getting the immunity up, but also getting our marae and whānau ready for the next round, whatever that might be, because we know this is not going to be going away anytime soon. It's going to be around for a long time. So that's what it's all about at the moment, e hoa. He whakariterite I ngā pā kaiahi maha e noho tatana ki ngā kāinga maha o ngā whānau maha. So excited to have some downtime, to be honest, because it's been pretty cray-cray I nā te nui o te nui o ngā mahi. Engari, no te iwi, mo te iwi, so you are accountable to your people and you have to do ngā mahi katoa.
Ka pai. All right, we just got a question come through on our comment section right there. Whānau in hospital who are isolated from their own whānau. You know, Tū Whare Ora, of course, will be helping those whānau as well. So how can we make them feel like we are here, that we are definitely in support, even though we can't be there? Tinana nei.
Oh, yeah, that's what's good about technology ne. Kia toro atu a tātou ringa ki ngā taonga hangarau. And it is also having a conversation with the health, whichever hospital it might be, because some of our whānau may not be well enough to do with the technology and to connect. So it does come down to having strong relationships and strong communication with the nurses or with the doctors, whoever is part of the hohipera system, to provide that without straining them too much as well, because we also know that there is he nui te aha, ngā wero ki roto I te ao hauora I tēnei wā, they are spread thin. So actually that's a really good point for iwi to consider. How can we buffer that? How can we litigate that? How can we make that access a lot easier by coming in and supporting ngā mea e mahi ana I te ao hauora? So this is all part and parcel, I think, of te hoki, te arotake, te aro matawai, heaha te huarahi mahe ake hei ko ke whakamua mā tātou.
Ka pai. All right, hey, kōrero whakamutunga, my bro. Me pewhia, te whānau e noho wehe nei Tūwharetoa, e hono nei ki Tū Whare Ora.
He māmanoa e te whānau. You can reach out to us on our social media platforms. If it's something a bit more serious, you can call our number. The aunties will answer your call, and that number is 0800 473 736. Otherwise, you can also send the email if you have any pātai to pātai@tūwhareora.nz.
Ka pai. A ka tukuna te rākau kia koe, my brother, ina he kōrero whakamutunga.
He whakaaro nui tēnei, no tēnei pito o ngā waituku kiri ngā wai whakaora ki te hunga kwariro. He nui rātau mā kua katongia e te ringo aitua, kua pohara te ao Māori. Ki konei ki roto o Tū Wharetoa, ko te toki o te matua tūtau o te ariki tērā, ko Duncan Iwikau. E takoto ana ki kākahi, hei te rānei, ka haere atu ia ki te rua ko iwi o rātau mā. Nā reira kei te whānau pani, kei tō tātou pāpa, haere atura. Ki ngā mate maha ke runga ngā marae maha, ki roto o Waikato, ki roto o Kahungunu, ki roto o Ngāti Whātua, ki roto o Ngāti Pāwa, e tuku nei te aroha kia rātau mā, kia koutou katoa.
Ngā mihi kia koe te parata e te whanaunga, kia haumaru, kia hānena ana te noho I tō miru I tēnei wā tukuna taku aroha ki te whānau. A otia, tātou katoa Tū Wharetoa, tēnei te mihine o tēnei wā wai oku, e toro atu ana ki a tongariro maunga, ana, ki konei anō hoki ki taupiri, ana, tungane, tuakana teina, ngā mihi kia koe te parata.
Hei kona mai.
Ciao. There you go.